In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Gmail account to HubSpot. This simple integration will bolster your productivity by seamlessly weaving together your email communications and marketing efforts. Let's jump right into it. To start, you'll need to access your HubSpot account settings. After logging into your HubSpot account, direct your attention to the top navigation bar. There, you'll notice a settings icon, which typically looks like a gear or a cogwheel. You'll want to click on that to open your settings. Once you're inside the settings, keep your eyes on the left sidebar menu. You'll see a section labeled General. Click on it, and then locate and click on the Email tab. This is where you'll manage your email-related settings. Now it's time to connect your email. Look for the option that says Connect Personal Email, and go ahead and click on it. This is your entry point to link your Gmail account with HubSpot. At this stage, HubSpot is likely to recommend Gmail as your email provider, especially if you've expressed an interest in integrating with it. Select Gmail from the options and proceed to follow the on-screen instructions. You'll soon be redirected to the Gmail login page. If you're already logged into one or several accounts, simply choose the appropriate one that you want to connect with HubSpot. Make sure it's the account you plan to use for business communications through HubSpot. Next comes an essential step: granting permissions. It's critical to ensure that HubSpot can access the necessary information to function correctly. Review the list of permissions HubSpot requests. It might seem a bit extensive, but these accesses are vital for features like email logging and tracking. Click Allow to grant these permissions and connect your account. Once you've granted the required permissions, HubSpot will send out a test email. This email serves as a verification step to confirm everything is working as it should. Additionally, you can check the HubSpot sales extension within your Gmail inbox to ensure the connection is active and ready to go. By connecting your Gmail account to HubSpot, you'll unlock a world of capabilities right from your inbox. Automatically log emails sent and received with your HubSpot contacts and deals, saving you time and keeping your records up to date effortlessly. You'll also be able to track when emails are opened and when links are clicked, offering invaluable insights into how your communications are received. Plus, you can access and use HubSpot's powerful features directly in Gmail, like templates and sequences, and manage contacts and deals seamlessly without having to switch between platforms. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to connecting your Gmail with HubSpot. This integration is designed to enhance your marketing and sales efforts by streamlining your workflow. Thanks for watching, and happy connecting. Duh.